Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about and/or operators. AND operator is used to add another condition. So if you want to make your condition more rigid or restricted, you can use AND. For example, you can say I need to retrieve all employees, their first name, James, and their job title is developer. So as you see, AND is used to narrow down the results because we add and make any condition more restricted. However, on the other side, OR make your condition more flexible. So when you use OR, you may retrieve the data that achieve the first condition or the second condition. So for example, you can say I need to retrieve all projects in cybersecurity or the project that have budget greater than 1 million. Let's have a look at some examples to understand these two operators. Let's switch to MySQL. So let's select the first line and execute it to retrieve all employees. So now we have all the employees in the list. So let's say I need to retrieve all employees, their job title is developer. So where job title equal quotation type developer and execute. In this case, we got 6 employees. All of them are developers. Let's say that you want to retrieve all developers, their date of birth greater than 1980. We can type here and date of birth greater than open quotation and type your condition 1980 dash 12, which is the last month in the year, dash 31, which is the last day in the year. So in this case, I will get all employees that their date of birth is greater than 1980. Let's now execute this query. This time we got only the developers. Their date of birth is greater than 1980. So the first one is 1982, the second one is 1981, and the third one is 1992. And if you want to make it more flexible, instead of and, we may type OR. So in this case, we will get all the employees who are developers or the employees their date of birth greater than 1980. So let's execute this query and look at the results. This time we got 19 employees instead of 3 employees. So for example, if you look at the first employee here, number 1, this employee is developer, but his date of birth is not greater than 970. So one of the conditions is attained. So that's why this employee has been retrieved. And the second employee here is a developer, and at the same time, his date of birth